Hi children, take out your social textbook. Lesson number 1, Vijayanagar Empire. Come to the point. Vijayanagar Empire was founded in 1336 century on the southern bank of Tungabhadra river by the sons of Sangama called Arihara, Bukkaraya, Kampanna, Marappa and Muddappa. Hampi of Bellary district was their capital and their national emblem was boar, Varaha. See, this is national emblem Varaha. During 1336 to 1646 CE, Vijayanagara Empire was ruled by the four dynasties called Sangama dynasty, that is from 1336 to 1485. Saluva dynasty, that is from 1485 to 1505. Tuluva dynasty, that is 1505 to 1567, and Aravido dynasty, 1570 to 1646. Now we are going to learn about all these dynasties. First one, Sangama dynasty, from 1336 to 1485. Children, carefully remember all the years of the dynasties. Yes, Arihara and Bukkaraya. Arihara, he ruled from 1336 to 57 CE. He was the first king of this dynasty. He took control over the regions of Tungabhadra river and he extended his empire to Konkan coastal area of the west, to Nelluru and Kadapa of the east, to the Krishna river of the north and Kaveri river of the south. Like this, he laid a strong foundation of his empire. And next one, Bukkaraya. So he is from 1357 to 1377 centuries. So brother of Arihara took over power after his death because Arihara had no son. During his rule, his son Kampana expanded the empire by defeating the Sultan of Madurai. This was explained in a book called Madura Vijayam, which was written by Kampana's queen Ganga Devi. Bukka captured Penugonda by defeating Reddis of Kondavidu and included it to Vijayanagara Empire. Shravana Belagola, inscription of 1368 CE, explains that he pacified the conflicts between Jains and Vaishnavas and maintained religion's harmony and equality. So that is his greatness. After Bukkaraya's Harihara II, 1377 to 1404, Bukkaraya II, Virupaksha II, 1404 to 1406, Devaraya I, 1406 to 1422 C. Next one, Veera Vijayaraya. So ruled Vijayanagara Empire. These people ruled Vijayanagara from 13th century to 14th century. Next one, Devaraya II. He is also known as Prauda Devaraya from 1424 to 1446 CE. He was the famous king of Sangama dynasty and his period was significant in the Vijayanagara dynasty. After he took over the power, he built a new army including Muslim soldiers who were skilled in archery and horse taming. With the help of this army, he defeated Reddy leaders of Kondavedu region. He defended famous Mudugal fort, Raichur and Bankpura by fighting with Ahmad Shah of Bahmani Sultans. His brave commander called Lakhanna Dandesha defeated the kings of Kerala and Sri Lanka and collected treasures and tribute in cash from them. And next, Prauda Devaraya, who had religious tolerance, built Jain and Vaishnava temples in the capital and permitted to build mosque also. Telugu poet Srinatha, Sanskrit philosopher Dindima, and Kannada poet and the minister Lakhanna Dandesha were patronized in his kingdom. Veera Saivism got resurrected in his period. That is the greatness of Devaraya II. He had the title like he also had the titles like Gaja Ventigara, Chetu Samudradishwara, Ariraya Vibhada. So these are the titles of Prauda. After his death in 1446 CE, his son Mallikarjuna and then Virupaksha III ruled Vijayanagara. These were weak rulers, and because of this, a strong commander, Saluva Narasimha, captured the capital. With this incident, the rule of Sangama dynasty ended in 1485. After Sangama dynasty, Saluva dynasty started from 1485 to 1505. After taking over the power in 1485 CE, Saluva Narasimha ruled for 6 years and died in 1491. His children were minors when he died, and because of this, kingdom was in the protection of a commander called Tuluva Narasimha Nayaka from 1491 to 1503. See, Sangama dynasty, after one Saluva dynasty, next Tuluva dynasty. Then Tuluva dynasty started in 1505. So Veera Narasimha, son of Tuluva Narasanayaka, started the rule of the Tuluva dynasty. After his death in 1509, his brother Krishna Devaraya came to power. Krishna Devaraya, the famous ruler, 1509 to 1529. He was the famous and greatest king among other Vijayanagara kings. At the beginning years of his rule, he had to face many revolts. He seized Sivanasamudra fort from Ummattur chief Gangaraja in 1510. Later he won Raichur fort. He supported Portuguese to capture Goa from Bijapur. In 1513 CE, he won Udayagiri fort. Then in 1518, he captured Cuttack, the capital of Gajapati Prataparudra, a Kalinga king, by defeating him and married his daughter Jagan Mohini. So children, try to understand. So history is almost boring only, but you need to focus and remember the years. Understand? So Vijayanagara Samrajya starts from Sangama dynasty, Saluva dynasty, Tuluva dynasty, and Krishna Devaraya. Understand, children? In 1522 century, he captured Raichur from the king Adil Shah, king of Adil Shah, Ismail Adil Khan. Later he captured Kalburgi, Bidar forts. He got released the son of king who was imprisoned by Bahmani prime minister and restored him to power in Bidar. For this, he got the title Yavana Raja Pratishtapanacharya. So then almost Krishna Devaraya got so many titles, you just remember. So this is the Vijayanagara empires during Krishna Devaraya 16th century. Observe this. Understand? These are the places he captured. And next, expanded in all four directions. At the time of his death in 1529 CE, Domingo Pais, who visited his kingdom, stated Krishna Devaraya was a soft person with a strong body in his book. Next one, Rakkasa Tangadi battle. After Krishna Devaraya, Achyutaraya 1530 to 1542 and Sadashivaraya 1543-65 ruled Vijayanagara. Understand? Up to Krishna Devaraya it was very fine, but after when Krishna Devaraya died, Achyutaraya came and Sadashivaraya came. Since Sadashivaraya was minor and unable to rule, Ramaraya of Aravidu dynasty, son-in-law of Krishna Devaraya, took the whole responsibility of administration. Then he is a very diplomatic person, expanded Vijayanagara kingdom and made it rich. The number of enemies also increased. You see, those times when they capture another kingdom, automatically, so then enemies will be increased the same way. So Deccan Sultanates were attacking Vijayanagara often. To avenge, Ramaraya captured Vijaypura and Golconda, and this caused the war. All sultanates united themselves with jealousy and hatred on the growth and richness of the Vijayanagara kingdom. They had political differences between them, but to defeat Vijayanagara, they united again. On 23rd January of 1565, the Rakkasa Tangadi war began between the united army of sultans and the army of Vijayanagara on the banks of Krishna river, and Ramaraya died in the war. Sultanates looted Vijayanagara. Tinumala and Venkata, sons of Ramaraya, who escaped from the war, ran away to Penugonda. Later, Aravidu dynasty started their ruling from 1570 to 1646 CE by making Penugonda and Chandragiri and later Velluru as their capitals. After this war, feudal chiefs of Mysore